YouTube, getting straight into the video. My intro got cut off, so I'm gonna fill y'all in by talking. I know I'm talking pretty fast, you gotta listen. That's some spray. I just went in on the second layer of the cap. See, the first layer, y'all didn't see me do the first layer. I had went in with some Pro Style, then I had stuck some paper strips onto my head, then I went in and I applied that second cap. Okay, I blow dried all that down, wait till it got nice and hard. You see me looking all good and fly over here. Okay, I ain't never talked this fast in my life. Like, oh my gosh, oh my god. Okay, so I went ahead and measured my track out, cut it, put some glue on it. Now I'm just placing my tracks curved. I'm making sure I do not place them straight because when my hair falls down, I want it to cover the track. So make sure to curve your tracks, ladies or gents. You feel me? Don't place them straight because it just makes no sense. This is a no leave out hairstyle, perfect for natural girls who don't want to put any heat in their hair, or you know, somebody that just ain't got no time for all of that, period. And I'm placing my tracks very close together because I wanted this to be a full look. I'm not really going to over talk this video, okay? I'm just let y'all watch. And again, I am sorry about my intro being cut off. I don't know, my phone be tripping. I got no storage and it's like I deleted my whole life. I have literally no apps on my phone right now, so I don't know, whatever, I'll figure it out. But hopefully this video helps you. This is a very quick video that I hope you can learn from. I hope that you enjoy. Okay, so here I'm just doing a little close-up so y'all can see what I'm doing. Yes, it does get a little messy with the glue, but it's okay because the glue comes off really easy. But just be sure to curve it all the way up. Yep, keep the curve. I tried to like position the mirror so y'all could see what I'm doing, but I couldn't see and I needed to see, so yep. But I thought about y'all, shoot. It's the thought that counts. Okay, but with these little 4 pieces or however many pieces I just laid down, I'm putting them straight because that's going to close it off and seal the deal. Okay, now you know I had to go in with my beeswax edge control by Maurice. Get that all nice and slicked up. If you want a more detailed video on how I do my ponytails, be sure to check out my most recent video, how to do the little, what's it called? The little Diera Inspire Baby hair tutorial with the wispy edges or whatever it's called. I don't know what the hairstyle is called, okay, baby? But go watch it because I did that, poo. I did that. Just like I did this. Period. Now on top of that beeswax, I'm going in with some black got to be glued gel. Shit. And I'm just brushing that back. I don't use the yellow kind for this because the yellow kind be turning white when it mixed with other products, so I only use that against, like, you know, the glue protectors and stuff. I don't really use that too much because it be tripping. So yep, go in with the black kind. Then I'm going to spray me some Got To Be glue gel. Right here, I'm spraying that that spray all up on there. And then I'm going in with my blow dryer and I'm smoothing it up. I'm smoothing that pony, just smoothing all them hairs into that pony. That ponytail ain't going nowhere, I tell you that. I tell you what, that ponytail ain't going nowhere, okay? With that blow dryer, and I'm controlling the heat with the little thing on there. This is my favorite little blow dryer. It's just so small and it get too damn hot sometimes. Now I'm just going to braid my little ponytail back, okay? I'm tying the end of the track with a rubber band to the end of my braid. Just tie it. It's no really specific way to do it. Just tie it. And then I'm going to wrap it a little bit. And then I'm going to put a bobby pin going up into the braid just to secure it. You want it to be secure. You don't need no tracks falling out while you're trying to have a good summer. How embarrassing would that be? Your ponytail just falling apart. Girl, I'd be so sad. I'll go ahead. I'll wrap my shit up in a bun after that. You ain't about to ruin my day. But nah, we could just forget and avoid all of them shenanigans by just securing it with the rubber band and securing it with the bobby pin, okay? Period. Okay, so I ended up using 2 bundles for my ponytail. The video actually cuts off at the end because I have absolutely not a lick of storage. I don't know why. But anyways, comment down below how you think this hairstyle turned out. I do got a little TikTok video to show y'all how the hairstyle turned out. Thank you for watching and see y'all next time.